Okay, guys, hit that like, subscribe. Custom built for play go mode. See, we got a drift car out here. Okay, let me tune up the steering. This is first everything here, guys, for this John here. Things quiet too. All right, let me check my trim and everything on this to see where I'm at, because this thing is nice. Get everything properly set. Okay, about 10. Yep, there we go. Like I said, this body is low profile. I love these low profile bodies. Thing's quiet too, guys. I like that. You can't see my lights right now because of the daylight, but I do have lights on there, light kit. Whew, hit a rock. This thing is nice. It's my first drift car, but my next one is going to be a killer. And as you see the title, guys, you already know what it is. Just a change of body. Upgraded it. It came brushed. So what I did, like I said, everything I get, I go up. 4S motor. 4S ESC. 4S ESC. And I've only ran 3S. I've gotten about 45, 48. So, yeah. So it's not disappointed. But you do have to tune these things. This is just not going to run like this for you guys. As you can still see, I need a little bit more work. It's actually drifting off, so I'm going to just tune it up a little more. Probably tighten that arm.